Hi friends, I am Sandeep Kulkarni. Welcome you to Dynamic Foundry Group small video section. Today we are going to see CTQ and CTP, that is critical to quality and critical to process function, in today's small video. Content of CTQ and CTP. What is CTQ? What is CTP? Example of CTQ. Example of CTP. Simple format to monitor CTQ and CTP. Customer satisfaction related to CTQ. CTQ means critical to quality. What exactly mean by critical to quality? There are many customer specific requirements which we call as CSR, that is customer specific requirements. But of those all CSR, that is customer specific requirements, only few requirements are critical and are related to term fit to use. We are manufacturing castings and machining it for customer as per their CSR. But some of the parameters that decides actual fit to use status of the part, those parameters which decide the fit to use status from the casting or machining, are known as critical to quality. There are many requirements from the customer, but most of them are generic and very few are specific, which can affect the fit and function of the part at end use. These specific requirements are known as critical to quality. Most of the time, critical to quality is directly related to your customer satisfaction. This is also a preventive, as it helps you in preventing your future disasters at customer end. Critical to quality can be gathered from various sources. Drawing showing C symbol, drawing showing S symbol, drawing showing some characteristics with star symbol, customer complaints or customer end failures can give you certain parameters for critical to quality. Following are some of the examples of critical to quality. It may be dimensional, it may be fitment, it may be metallurgical, it may be aesthetic look and surface treatment, it may be related to packing standard, it may be related to any other specific requirement which will hamper fit to use function. CTP means critical to process. What is exactly meant by critical to process? As we have to control critical to quality, that is CTQ parameter, to achieve them, we must have to focus on certain process parameters in our production run. In fact, this CTQ is depending on the process control which we follow. Hence, to achieve critical to quality, that is CTQ, we have to define, monitor and establish proper process control. And this process control is nothing but critical to process. So we are going to see how critical to process is being achieved. This critical to process may be any process parameter like temperature, pressure, composition, addition percentage, etc., which is the part of the process and will affect CTQ, that is critical to quality parameter, if not followed properly. Example of critical to quality, let us see one example which we have taken here is critical to quality and critical to process combinedly. So let us say we are a casting manufacturing foundry unit and we are producing DFG flywheel housing casting in gray cast iron with FG300 grade. Here customer gives us lot of customer specific requirement, but in those foundry have some specific requirements like hardness should be minimum 210 after machining, pearlitic must be 90% minimum, no microporosity or shrinkage acceptable on machine face. So these are three specific requirements from the customer which we are considering as CTQ, that is critical to quality, which will hamper their fit to use. So these are customer critical to quality requirements or parameters which we have to maintain to get use to fit function. Now, we need to identify the critical to process parameter which will affect this CTQ. Let us make a simple format which will take care of all these things in a very simple but systematic way. You can make such format for monitoring CTQ and CTP for each part. So this is the format where you can see CTQ parameters have been mentioned: casting hardness after machining 210 BHN minimum, Perletic percentage in the matrix, that is the microstructure, is 90% minimum, number, no porosity, no microporosity after machining. So microporosity after machining is not allowed. So these are the critical to quality parameter given by our customer. So to control it or to maintain it, we have to do certain process control. We have to monitor the process for that. And for that, we have considered some CTP, that is critical to process parameter, that is the charge mix. MS scrap, it must be 35 to 40%, pig iron 10 to 15% max, carbon percentage 3.2 to 3.35%, manganese percent 0.7 to 0.8, chromium percent 0.15 to 0.2%, copper percent 0.2% minimum, inoculation 0.15 to 0.25% max, knockout time 45 to 60 minutes maximum. So these are the parameters which in the process we have defined. If we control this parameter, we can able to maintain CTQ, that is critical to quality parameters. If one or two parameters from the CTP are out of range or are deviated, then we cannot able to achieve CTQ parameter. So it is very important to maintain all these CTP parameters and as per given specification. Such type of format will guide the shop floor team to know the CTQ parameter and the related CTP parameter which they need to maintain during actual production run. One can check these points from the actual process control data after production to see whether all the parameters are maintained as per norms or not. You can also add these CTP parameters in your PPC, that is production planning and control sheet, to get them aware about what exactly want to monitor closely. It will also helpful if we able to identify the CTQ for all parts and all customers based on their drawing and customer complaints, etc. Based on this CTQ, we can further drill down to the CTP, that is critical to process, which will give our shop floor what are the important parameters to be monitored and maintained to achieve CTQ. You need to add the points to CTQ which you are getting during customer complaints or customer in field failures. So this will be a live document which will be getting updated with each and every customer complaint or each and every customer failures. You can add some more CTQ and CTP related to that CTQ. This is a part of quality assurance. As quality assurance person, need to gather all these critical quality parameters for all part and all customers. Then CFT of quality, production, development, pattern shop, lab, and other departments as per requirement needed to go through these critical to quality parameters and then drill down the critical to process parameters. It requires CFT approach, that is cross-functional team approach. These critical to process parameters are then given to shop floor team with PPC sheet for reminding and making them aware that these are the critical process parameter, and if are not controlled, then your quality may get hampered and your rejections may get increased, your customer satisfaction may get hampered. Benefits of achieving critical to quality. Number one, reduction in overall rejection, that is NCM, less cost of poor quality, zero customer complaints, more customer satisfaction, more opportunities to grow business, zero rework cost, and most importantly, more profits. Thank you very much, and let us focus more on quality by focusing on CTQ and CTP. Thank you very much.